mushrooms are just delicious. Today, I use them to stir-fry with broccoli, a familiar home-cooked dish, right?
Yes, today let's make another well-known dish. Stir-fried mushrooms and broccoli with black pepper sauce. The mushrooms and broccoli stir-fried in black pepper sauce are bursting with flavor. Its savory taste is absolutely irresistible. Mushrooms are a nutritional powerhouse, naturally rich in vitamin D for immune support and antioxidants that combat cell damage. Welcome to subscribe my channel and save this recipe so you may refer back when you need this recipe.
Button mushrooms. Broccoli.
For larger mushrooms, you can cut them in half and set aside. Conversely, smaller ones can be left whole. There's no need to have them. Broccoli should be washed and then cut into small florets for later use. Add the mushrooms to the dry pan without oil and dry fry them first. Cooking out the moisture intensifies their flavor. Once the aroma of the mushrooms is noticeable, then pour the cooking oil into the pan to saute. Add the broccoli and stir-fry together. Season with salt and black pepper sauce, about 1 teaspoon of salt and 1 tablespoon of black pepper sauce. Remember to adjust to your own taste. If it's too dry or you want some sauce, just add water. Water can also help the broccoli cook faster and become softer. Add pepper and salt freely for extra flavor. Black pepper mushroom and broccoli stir-fry is ready. Plate it up and enjoy. Friends who have grown up with me must be familiar with this. Home-cooked dishes are very simple to make, but once plated, they become completely different, perfect for serving guests. Actually, keeping the mushrooms whole makes them look more appealing. I recommend buying smaller mushrooms if possible. The black pepper sauce I use is on the sweeter side with a less intense pepper flavor, making it very suitable for families with children. It's a taste that kids can easily enjoy. Black pepper contains a compound called piperine, which significantly improves our body's ability to absorb key nutrients. For example, it can enhance the bioavailability of curcumin from turmeric by up to 2,000%. This makes your meals not just tastier, but more nutritious too. The piperine in black pepper stimulates our digestive enzymes, helping break down fats and proteins more efficiently. If you ever feel bloated after a heavy meal, adding a pinch of black pepper can actually aid digestion and provide relief. Rich in antioxidants, black pepper helps combat cellular damage caused by free radicals. Additionally, its robust flavor makes it a great salt alternative. You can season your food with less sodium without sacrificing taste. D. The vitamin D in mushrooms enhances calcium absorption from broccoli. Mushroom beta-glucans and broccoli's vitamin C provide dual immune support. Ergothioneine in mushrooms and sulforaphane in broccoli create antioxidant synergy. Their complementary fibers support gut health through improved motility and microbiota balance. This low-calorie, high-fiber combination provides nutrient density with sustained satiety. Now that we've explored these culinary secrets, aren't ingredients more fascinating? Food always tastes better when you know the stories behind it. That's the real secret ingredient. My channel will also start sharing how I find vegetarian recipes that are suitable for vegan like me when eating out. If you are a meatless person like me, then there is no problem with putting it in your eating out diary. Vegetarianism can be divided into the following categories, and their differences are briefly summarized. Vegan: do not consume any animal products, including meat, fish, eggs, milk, honey, etc. Avoid using animal products such as leather and wool. Lacto-vegetarian: do not eat meat or fish, but eat eggs and dairy products such as milk and cheese. Lacto-vegetarian: do not eat meat, fish, eggs, but eat dairy products such as milk and sourdough. For vegetarian: do not eat meat, fish, dairy products, but eat eggs. Pescatarian: do not eat red meat or poultry, but eat fish, seafood, and may also eat eggs and milk. Flexitarian: mainly vegetarian, occasionally eat a small amount of meat or fish, without strict restrictions. Religious, cultural vegetarianism such as Buddhist vegetarianism and Hindu vegetarianism may prohibit the consumption of specific meats such as beef, pork, or 5 pungent vegetables such as onions and garlic. Main difference: whether eggs, milk, fish are included, and the degree of strictness. Veganism is the strictest, and flexitarianism is the most relaxed. Try to start with one meat-free day. Weekly small steps create big impacts. Heal the planet. Each vegan meal slashes 50% carbon footprint and saves water. Your fork protects forests and wildlife habitats. Kindness matters. Choosing veggies means saying yes to compassion, reducing farmed animal suffering with every bite. Boost your health. Plant-based meals packed with fiber and antioxidants cut heart disease risks, leaving you energized and glowing. I share delicious recipes every day, so don't miss it. Thanks for watching. See you in next video.